Start by running the brush underwater. While under running water, put a good amount of soap in the palm of your hand. Get the brush and swirl it around in the soap, making sure to apply pressure to the brush. Feel through the bristles to get out any excess paint. Periodically rinse the brush and repeat the process, only stopping once you see no paint coming out of the brush. Once washed, leave the brush on a hook to dry. Start by putting the roller under running water. Let the water take off as much paint as possible. Add soap either to your hand or directly on the roller, squeezing out the paint as you rinse. Rinse the roller and repeat the process until all the paint has come off. Set the roller down and let it dry. Under running water, rinse the tray, removing as much paint as possible. To clean the remaining paint, use a brush to scrub the paint off. Once all the paint has been removed, use a paper towel or rag to dry the tray out. Place the lid on the paint can and using a rubber mallet, gently tap all the way around the edge of the lid, making sure it gets closed all the way around.